Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, hopefully you've been with me for a few videos today. If you're not familiar, on True Wants #2 on Instagram is where I shared that so many boxes got delivered today. I decided to sit down because all of them are, I could not wait. I take a picture for Instagram and I open up all the boxes and then I put them here on the table to do the videos. I could not wait to sit down and share them with you. I cannot believe that these Boxycharm boxes, and I pay for my boxes, I get 2 base and 2 premium, that they're arriving at the same time that I'm seeing PR packages arriving and being shown on other channels. So the fact that our boxes are coming out around the same time as the PR boxes is blowing my mind. So I want to make sure to be able to film them and get up them for you this week. And I wanted to get them up to you actually today, simply because this way you're able to make some decisions if it's something that you want in the mega drop shop that is going to be happening on the 14th of February. So this is one box that you get to choose. It's around a $40 box, and you get to choose 2 items that are in this box. The choices this month that we got to make the month before for the premium box, for me, there was one 100% that I wanted. But I really was, it was the first time that, you know, because I get the 2 boxes, and what I always loved is I was able to choose different items for the choice. So if I got any duplicates, it was not a big deal because my choice items were ones that I really, really wanted. This time, I ended up choosing the exact same items in both boxes. So I'm not sure, I still have to open up another box that arrived it might be an entire duplicate box just based on that I got the same choices in both. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's not, but if it is, you know that that is going to end up being great for you guys. So let me just go through what we got in the premium box for the month of February of 2022. This is the theme of the card this month. It is called Be My Glamentine. I don't think I said that in the previous video because I did do the base box. Everything that's on the card I put out on my table. Also, like I said, I really hope that you're following me on Instagram because I get to share so much there that doesn't need a video, or if I get an item from a company and things like that that they only want a posting on Instagram, that's what I do. So I want to make sure that you guys are following me there so that you don't miss out on any information that I'm able to share with you. But the first item is the one that I could not wait to get my hands on. And that's why I love Boxycharm boxes so much. This is the most stunning, and this is the holographic packaging that it comes in. I pulled it out and look at this. It is from Huda Beauty. It is so heavy. It is called the Mercury Retrograde. And first of all, she is one of the OGs. She was also one of the first ones that her whole story is so fantastic because how she got into this was she was disappointed in the career path that she was going down, and she ended up getting fired and she didn't know what she was going to do. And it was through her family members that they pushed her, you know, to do the YouTube and to get into the makeup. And then she started to play and get into the eyelashes, and everything about her story is absolutely fantastic. On top of it, every product that I have had the opportunity to purchase and enjoy of hers, I have enjoyed so much. And the colors in this palette are going to take me completely into a new direction of how I play with my makeup. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. So either way, I made sure to get the second choice in the second box was going to be one of these, which was going to be a video and a giveaway in that box when that arrives for you guys anyways. But we'll end up seeing what ends up else in that giveaway because, like I said, I ended up choosing 2 of the exact same choice items for this box. So this one, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel because this is for the subscribers and it's to help with the growth of the channel. So this is Huda Beauty and it says, take your look to infinity and beyond with an 18 cosmic shades with both bold and neutral shades. This palette delivers infinite possibilities. This alone is a $67 palette in a $40 box. This more than paid for the box. And it's also going to be something that I'm going to be able to share on my channel. So that's an absolute win-win. The mirror in these are stunning. They're always the whole entire section here on the top, and they're always beautiful. But these are the most stunning colors that are in here. I cannot wait to swatch these for you guys at the end of this video. It is so beautiful. Like I said, I could not wait to share and see this palette in person. The next item in here was another one that was a choice item. And this one I'm on the fence about. And this one is the Eyelash Boost Serum. I initially, when these serums came out, was so excited to try them. And I used a very expensive one that I purchased. And it actually gave me a little bit of eye irritation. So I'm very hesitant about these. I also read some things that some people felt that it made their under eye area, you know, black, things like that. So this brand I do not know about. So I'm always open to try new things. This is the only thing that I'm a little hesitant about, not by the brand and not based on anything from this brand. It's my own personal on eyelash boosting serums. So we'll have to see what this one's all about. So this says, grow your own naturally full and beautiful long lashes with the help of this best-selling eyelash boost serum. It says, improving your length, your density, and the strength of your hair and the overall follicle health with this proprietary blend of amino acids and peptides. This is very reasonably priced for this item. It is $44. If you know anything about this brand or have the opportunity to try this product, I would love for you to share it in the comments down below, because that's your voice. And it's, for me, you're able to help so many people when you share in the comments. I appreciate it so much. So please share in the comments. The next item in here is from this brand called Christophe Robin. This is also a very high-end brand. This is the Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. And this DIME, it says on the card that this is a new brand to BOXY, as well as this brand here. This is a brand we usually get like in our glossy boxes and things like that. The products that are usually in the UK, because I think this is a UK brand if my memory serves me correctly. If I'm incorrect, please, yeah, made in the UK. This is a UK brand. So this one here says, this mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thick and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold using a delicate rose blend, and it's infused with a formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance your hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumizing look. This is a $39 value. And like I mentioned, this is a new brand to Boxycharm. So this one here, it says on the back, when I was reading it, it said that it's for, you know, girls who have thin hair. That's, none of these are my issues, but volume, when you have heavy hair, is important too, so that you be able to keep your hair, because when your hair is thin, it goes flat, and when your hair is thick, it can go flat because it's heavy. So this might be something that I'll be able to use. I will definitely play with this, but let's see what this mist is all about and how strong that rose scent is. That's rose scent is strong. I'm not a lover of rose scents, and that's one of the scents for me that I find to be a little overpowering. So that is one that is in here. So that's the only thing that I'm a little disappointed, because unless it dissipates, because right now I don't smell it in the air at all. So maybe I'll get lucky with this. The next one is from this brand called Moonlit. This is a brand new launch for this product, and it's a brand that I'm not familiar with. So if you are, please share that in the comments down below. This is Moonlit makeup. It says primed for the night. This is an eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing, so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the nights and enjoy the vibrant, lasting color wherever you plan to have your adventures and they may lead. This is an $18 value, and this is the gorgeous packaging on the inside here. Really gorgeous. And let's see what this looks like here. So it's one of those paddle brushes. Let's see if there's a color to this. Yeah, there's a bit of a tint to it. Very, very light tint. That is what that looks like over there. I hope the camera's picking it up. And that's that item there. The next item that we got is another new brand, and this is called Vike Beauty. And this is a makeup melt. It says this is a $24 value, and again, another new brand to BOXY. They're saying this is a makeup remover spray with skincare benefits. This is a makeup melt that has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after your removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and your makeup melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. This is something that I've never used before. I saw a couple of the girls open up last month from One Size, which is the brand by Patrick Starr, where he had an aerosol that had this type of makeup melt that you just sprayed on your face. I don't know, I'll have to see. I guess you have to wear a headband and cover all your hair to make sure that, you know, you don't get a mess. But, oh, it's a fine mist. But like I said, to me, this is something you want to definitely cover your hair because it is an oil. And we will play with this and see what this is all about. There is a small scent to it, but nothing overpowering. So excited to have the opportunity to try a new brand and a new type of product for me that I've never had the opportunity to try before. And then the last item in here is from a brand that I enjoy so much. And I'm loving, because this is a brand that was in Ipsy first. So now that Ipsy owns BOXY, well, hopefully a lot of you girls that just get BOXY will start seeing more from this brand because it is phenomenal. It is the brand called Uoma, U-O-M-A Beauty. It is called the Badass MF Lip Liner. The color that we got here is an Angelou. And it says, shape and fill in your lips to add definition and structure with this highly pigmented, silky, smooth lip liner. It's designed to be worn with your beautiful lipstick shade. This is a $16 value. And this, like I said, is now new to BOXY. But if you're an Ipsy girl, you have had the opportunity to try their brand. Their mascara, if you haven't tried, from this brand called Uoma, I'm hoping I can do the spelling for you over here, is just beautiful. I also will leave in the description box everything that I just read to you with the pricing and the variation in the description box down below. I always try to share as much information as I can in the description box down below. It is a pencil liner. It feels smooth, and it's that perfect nudie color. So if you got Angelou, that is an absolute gorgeous color. And that is everything that I got in my box. I'm going to now swatch quickly a couple of the shades in here to see what they're all about, because to me, this is beyond stunning. So this is what this palette looks like here. And I think also, this was also available in add-ons, which is the drop shop. So hopefully it will be again available. So if you don't get this box, you'll be able to grab this because this is stunning. So this is in the color called Cosmic. Then right beside it here, it's hard to see the names. I think this is Utopia. We then have Ultraviolet. And then we have one that feels a little bit more glimmery. Look at these colors. And this is in Merla. So as I share with you always on my channel, I try to do the swatches because the swatches for me give me an idea. When you can put your fingers into a product and be able to feel it, you can feel if it's powdery, if it's chalky, but it always will perform differently on your eyes. Sometimes better, sometimes the same. But to me, it gives me an idea for me what colors I want to play with first, which colors I would never, want to put on my eyes, which colors to me are stunning and that I never had the opportunity to play with before. This is in Mercury and this is in Haze, and that is the end of the first row. And those are what those colors look like there. And I'm just dabbing, very lightly in with my fingertip. I have a really lightly damp cloth here and a dry cloth right beside it. The next one here is on Off Balance. Then we have Galaxy. Then we have Libra. And then we have Crash. That's what that looks like there. And then there's two more on the second line. And this one, just trying to get all the color off. Okay, the next one here is Momentum. And then this one is gorgeous. It's called Supermoon. And these are stunning. And they're going on beautifully, and I'm not feeling, you'll always have a little bit more fallout when you put a brush in, depending how dense the brush is or how loose the bristles are, but they're feeling so smooth to the touch. We have Vortex, Hot Mess, Supernova, and Karma. Yeah, each color is more beautiful than the next. And then the last two here are Gold Glitch. I thought these, you'll understand in a second, and Frazzled. When I showed you the palette, and I'm going to put it up again, I was a little concerned about a couple of the colors that I thought they were going to be like those scratchy type of, you know, sprinkly type of colors, and they're not at all. And they're just stunning. So those are all the colors there. Really, really beautiful palette. This more than paid for the box. So excited that so many new brands are entering into the Boxycharm boxes that we get to experiment with and try. Some brands that I'm very familiar with and happy that they're now showing up in the BOXY box. But to me, this is such a treat. So like I said, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, because for sure I'm going to have a giveaway on this palette alone when that second box comes, but I think it's in the pile that arrived today, so I will be opening that up, and if it is, we will go through that. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Keep your fingers crossed that I don't get a completely duplicate box, but if I do, you know that that's a good good omen for you guys. All right, take care, everybody. I always want to end my videos during this time, that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well and we can enjoy. Make sure to watch my channel today, because all these boxes that came, I'm sitting down here and I am filming and I'm getting ready to upload all of them for you guys today. I just don't know, based on YouTube, you know, how long things take to upload, but I am filming everything today so that I can get them up to you right away. All right, take care, stay well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.